Hello friends, this is Seagull men's automatic watch model 327. It's using Seagull ST2502 movement. It's an automatic watch. The diameter for this watch is 43 mm. It's very good for men. There are two small dials here. The left one is for date. You can adjust the date by press the button here by a small pin. The right one is for power reserve. You can wind the watch and see the power reserve here. And on the 6 o'clock direction is flywheel window in the back side. It's see-through design. Butterfly clasp, 22 mm band. Thank you.